others think they should be encouraged to work as car mechanics or builders, etc., to serve society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Okay, so the very first thing that you are supposed to understand is the question type. Okay, from the question itself, you can understand that this is a discussion essay. So what happens in discussion essays that you have to discuss both the views and give your opinion. So there are technically two views, that some people think that young people should go to universities to further their education, while others think that they should encourage to work as car mechanics or builders. Generally, always remember that you start with an introduction. Introduction should be written in approximately 35 to 50 words. Okay. And the very first thing of the introduction is that you have to paraphrase the topic. Paraphrasing means that you are not supposed to change the meaning. All you're supposed to do is use synonyms and change the words. Okay. Some people think, I'm just giving an example. Some people think you can change it to several individuals believe. Young people, you can mention young adults. Do not add any information, neither deduct any information. You can only paraphrase it, keeping the meaning exact. Okay, that is the first thing that you're supposed to do when it comes to introduction. The second part of introduction is you have to give your opinion here. It says discuss both the views and give your opinion. Discussion will be done later. What is your viewpoint? Whether it is better to complete education or directly get into work. You have to remember that you're supposed to pick a side. You cannot sail on both the boats. If you choose both equally, both has equal importance. That is absolutely there. But you have to pick one side. Okay, that's the very first thing. So how you can give your thesis statement. After paraphrasing comes thesis statement, which is part of the introduction itself. You have to give your opinion. So for instance, you can write like, my inclination falls with the former, the first view, or the latter, second view, as, and give your reasons. Always remember you have to give one reason as to why you are choosing the side. My inclination falls with the former view or latter view, and give the reason. Okay, here your introduction gets over, done. For instance, if I'm choosing, and it's not that, you know, if you have choose one side, that side you'll be focusing more on, nothing like that. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. Your opinion gets over in the introduction itself. That's it. Second, leave a line, comes your second paragraph, which is called body paragraph 1.
Coffee.
Okay, I'm just giving an example of your thesis statement. You can say, for instance, I'm choosing the side of education, that it is better to complete education and then get into job. Okay, so I can write like, my inclination falls with the former view as, my inclination falls with the former view as completing education is topmost priority in today's time because there's a lot of competition. So it is better to complete education first and then get into jobs. Okay, is everyone clear with the introduction part?
Choosing side.
I can't see the answers. Okay. Okay, is the introduction clear with everyone? Okay, chat. Okay. Okay.
Guys, you can also ask
Talk,
the question.
yeah.
So
You
you
can
can
also
ask,
ask questions.
yeah, so wherever you guys are stuck, you can ask us the question so that we can clear all your
Stop
doubts.
and yeah, we can again go slowly and explain in details.
And you can write also, like there's a chat where you can write also. So if you are feeling hesitant about speaking, you can leave your question in the chat so that we can explain you that particular part.
And if you feel that I'm going a little faster, you can let me know. I'll go a little slow so that you can understand in depth, because introduction is very very important. They have hundreds and 200 sheets to check in particular day. So if the examiner feels that your introduction is not clear, trust me, they will not check your further paragraphs. You get your bands then and there. So make sure that you have completely understood the introduction. That's very important part of essay writing. Your reasons, make sure that your reason is clearly mentioned as to why you chose that particular side. And again, I'm telling you, do not pick both the sides. You have to pick one side and just give one reason for that. Is it clear? Okay. If you have understood the introduction, then I'll shift to body paragraph 1.
Should we shift to body paragraph 1, guys? Give us some hint, like.
Yes.
Okay, I got one yes. Okay, fine. So coming to body paragraph 1, very first thing, you have to write it in approximately 100 words, not less than that. You can exceed up to 110, 120, but make sure you do not write more than that, because the more you write, the more mistakes you make, the less band you get. Okay. Second paragraph is body paragraph 1. Here, you will be writing about the very first side, which is that some people think that it is better to complete their education. And very important, you cannot be biased. You have to be unbiased when you're talking about that, and no comparison related to work or experience. Here you will be only focusing on why completing education is very important in details, in depth, and explain it nicely. You can give examples as well. Okay. Body paragraph 1 is basically the side 1 that you'll be discussing in depth. Explain that nicely, why you are choosing that, why it is better to complete education, and you can give valid example. Okay. Is body paragraph 1 clear? You can give me your valid reasons. You can chat here and let me know why it is important to complete education first. Give me reasons, please. There's Piyush here, Shiv Rekha here. You can tell me, why is it important to complete education first rather than switching to job? Give me a valid reason, please. Samya. Piyush, you can talk, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I am going with the I am going with the later view that
Okay,
serving the society,
that is
serving
okay.
the yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is
Uh,
okay, Piyush. You have
yes,
given the latter view, you chose that view, but you have to discuss both sides. Read the question,
okay.
you have to discuss. Now your opinion is over. Okay, you're done with
Yes,
your opinion. Now
yes.
all you have to do is unbiased, being unbiased, and discuss both the sides.
So, so one body paragraph will be in the support of the view, and another will be uh, the against of the that's
No,
correct?
no, 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 no.
Yes,
No support, nothing. Here in body paragraph 1 you will be talking why completing education is important, and body paragraph 2 why switching to job is important.
okay.
It says two views, right?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
completing education, now just focus on completing education in body paragraph 1
Mhm.
in 100
Mhm.
words, and
Yes.
focus on completing switching to job in body paragraph 2 with in 100 words. Your opinion now doesn't matter, it is already been given in the introduction. Opinion over.
Okay.
Now the question is focusing on discuss both sides. That should
Mhm.
be discussed equally, 50 50.
Mhm.
50% in BP1 why education is important, 50% in BP2 why completing, sorry, switching to job is important. Okay, I think one student gave, Rekha gave an answer. I think it empowers us to choose better career options. Good. Okay. Anything else? Piyush, am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now your opinion not doesn't matter. It's already
Yes.
given in the introduction. Finished. Done there. Okay.
Okay.
Now, yes,
Uh,
please continue.
yeah.
What were you saying?
Uh, if your education is if you go to college education, it will make you profound in the basic knowledge of the
Particular field.
detail,
Yes.
particular field also,
Yeah.
so that you can serve in better way
Mm-hmm.
to the society. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's a good reason.
Mhm.
Okay. Anyone else? Nutam, Shifu, Samya, Mansoor, anybody? I just got two
Yes,
reasons.
I've already sent, I guess.
Yeah, I got your answer.
Yes.
I just saw Rekha's answer is visible. Yeah.
No, Rekha's as well as Shifu. I have also messaged.
She
Please
Yeah,
she
check
yeah.
has
once.
message on the chat. Education is the primary thing
Okay.
which has to be fulfilled for a promising career.
Okay. Sorry, it's not visible on my screen.
Uh,
So where should I set if it is not visible?
It should be visible on the chat itself.
Kunjan, there will be a link like where on the taskbar. You click on more and there's an option for chat.
Yeah, I can see that, but I can only see.
I think she messaged privately.
Okay, okay. You
No,
Yeah.
message.
now I've swapped it to everyone.
Yeah, please just copy it. Like let me just copy it. And
Yeah.
put it
All
on.
right. I'll resend. I'll resend. Just give me a
Yes.
message.
Yeah.
Just give me a time.
I've done it. Yeah, I've done it. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Education is the primary thing which has to be fulfilled. Um, sorry. Yeah, education is the primary thing which has to be fulfilled for a promising career. Okay. Okay. So the best answer, so it's not the best answer, sorry. In body paragraph 1 you should only focus on why completing education is important, and after giving all the valid reason you can give an example also that today it is a very competitive world. Okay, so completing education, completing graduation, or maybe post graduation is very important so that you stand out. Okay, it, you should explain that in details by giving valid example and not being biased. No comparison. Make sure that you do not compare anything related to switching to jobs. Your only focus should be on education. Am I clear now? With body paragraph 1, remember that you're not supposed to write less than 100 words. It should be 100 words. After explaining the structure, I will let you know the few things that you need to focus, wherein the things that is essential when you're writing essay. I'll get back to that after explaining the structure of discussion essay. Okay. Now coming to body paragraph 2. Is body paragraph 1 clear with everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to body paragraph 2, will be the side, again, sorry, written in 100 words, will be the side wherein you will be talking about why switching to jobs is important. Okay. It says, while others think that they should be encouraged to work as car mechanic or builders, etc., to serve the society. Okay. Why, can anybody let me know why switching to jobs after say 12th or higher secondary, what is that benefit, how is that beneficial, sorry? Anyone can message that why is switching to jobs after say schooling is, how can that be helpful?
Guys, you
It
can
gives
speak also.
experience.
You can
Yeah,
speak
please
also.
speak.
Yeah.
Just one word answer you can also give me. It gives experience. Yes, one should not do so if they are opting for one. So I believe that, okay. Mm, so I believe there would be a valid reason to gain more insights. Yes. There are many jobs, wherein more than education, it requires experience. Experience is wherein, they can learn more rather than studying, which is more like practical rather than theoretical. That helps more. So switching to jobs only maybe after 12th can help them better job opportunities. Okay, to gain more insights. Yes. So technically, body paragraph 2 will be not related to why completing education. It should be only related to why so getting to work is important. You can give examples for any job if you feel, I can't think of one as of now, but just
Uh,
let's say acting. Okay, more than theoretical.
Then,
Yes.
like, yeah. There are a number of field in the
Hmm.
world which
Yes.
can be which can be only taught by the example of seniors, not in schools,
Mm-hmm.
like farming and acting and
Yes.
investment also.
Yeah. Okay, that's good example. Okay, like I was saying initially, only acting, wherein it is rather than theoretical, it is better that you observe, you study, wherein you need to directly get into jobs. You can give examples like that. It gives you experience. Okay, so you will be talking about why switching to jobs is important in body paragraph 2 with valid examples also. Again, should be written in 100 words and without being biased. I'm emphasizing on that much enough. So please focus that you cannot compare anything. Yes,
In studies, yeah,
please continue.
in studies, there are a number of principles are taught, but if you do not know about the actual use of those principles,
Mhm.
it will not going to help you that much. so that it is always necessary in especially in technical education field. People have to do a lots of practical works, and so that they have a part of curriculum in that they actually go to the fields also.
Okay. So can you just give an example of that field apart?
Okay, ma'am. In any field, if in diploma engineering or any particular engineering, even in case of management, they have given a field projects work, and they know even the educationists also know that the importance of those field projects, so that it is a part of their curriculum.
Okay. Fine. But engineering, I still feel, that it is better that you complete your graduation. I'm talking about 12th, after 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Switching to job directly after 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Not completing education.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So, acting, I think, is just coming to my mind as of now. There can be other.
Another example of that is investment. In Rich
Mhm.
Dad and Poor Dad, the writers clearly said that the investment is the art which is cannot be taught in the classrooms. It is the art which is given to former to newcomer of the society on business tables and food tables.
Yes. Okay.
Another
To give.
example, what we can share is pilot training. Like you can
Yes.
study and you can, like, without the actual flying experience, it will be very hard for someone to learn how to fly the plane.
Yes. Wherein practical experience is more important rather than theoretical. Okay. Yes. Shifu has answered to learn more practical experience and skills. Right. Okay. For instance, cooking also. Unless how will you learn more of cooking unless you start? As if you want to be a chef, you want to learn more about cooking through practical practice rather than through theoretical knowledge. Okay. So that is something which you can give an example, not give that as an explanation. Your explanation should be why switching to jobs how it can be more beneficial. Okay. Coming to the fourth and final paragraph, which is conclusion. Conclusion should be written in, again, approximately 35 to 50 words. Yes, conclusion should be written in approximately 25 to 50 words. So here you will be focusing on the side that you chose. For instance, I chose completing education is important. So how you can start, although I'm just giving an example, although switching to jobs initially can give a lot of practical experience. However, now whatever your side is, however, completing education is more important, because in today's competitive world, it is better that we complete our education in advance and be prepared for the world.
So we can paraphrase the introduction part, right?
Yes, it is kind of paraphrasing of the introduction itself, but generally it is although, however. You have to start your conclusion by although this, however, this is more important.
So is there any particular formula for that? Means to remember all these things, means what to write, how to generate the ideas. Is there any formula for that?
Formula, it has a structure. There's no formula. It has a proper structure. Like for discussion essay, this is the structure. Okay, so initially you have to write it and see for a week or two. I would suggest that you keep your structure in front of you and then start writing that essay. By the time you will practice enough, you'll understand it.
So all these structures are mentioned on our website, which is ilsco.com. So you guys can make an account on the website, and all these structures, formulas are given there with all tips and tricks and strategies.
Okay. So am I clear? Body paragraphs, unbiased. The first paragraph will be discussed on why completing education is important. Second paragraph will be discussed on how switching to job is important. Wherein your introduction and conclusion is very similar. You have to, the side that you picked, you have to discuss that.
Should we start with another question?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Shankar.
Discussion essay is clear?
So here, previous in the previous essay, it has mentioned that both views. In body para one means any how many idea I have to mention para one, para two.
Just as long as you're able to write related to 100 words and 2 ideas maybe and one example. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Just make sure that you are completing 100 words and not just write one sentence of different points. You have to explain that in detail. You can keep it to 1 point and elaborate. You can keep it to 2 points and elaborate and give an example. But it should not be less than 100 words.
Okay.
You have to explain the reason. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any other doubt? Okay. Then
So we,
just reading the next question and yeah, we'll discuss that. Yeah. Sorry, sir,
yeah.
you were saying something?
Yeah, so guys, this way, this question, I would encourage you if you guys contribute it, and then whatever doubts you'll have. So instead of Kunjan explaining it, like first she'll explain, and then we can take your questions.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just reading the question first, and then I want your suggestions, and then I'll start explaining the structure. Okay. Some people believe that to give opportunities to the new generation in companies should encourage high level employees who are older than 55 to retire. Do you agree or disagree? It's a very simple question that some people think that, new generation should be given more opportunities rather than old people like for above who are already there in that company for 55, who are around 55 years of age. Do you agree or disagree? Yeah. Can we
I
have the
think
discussion?
I think we should keep the answer as diplomatic. At least that's what I would do. Because my views do range around the fact that both of them have its upside and downside. So first paragraph, I would want to explain the like the point of view for both, then give the pros and the cons in the second paragraph of both, and then end it with however.
Okay. See, the question here is, do you agree or disagree? It says or. So you have to pick one side.
I think I would go with disagree because I have more points for the older
Yeah,
generation.
okay. Just give me 2 valid reasons, please.
I have a case study, in fact. Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, so I have a case study, in fact, of IBM. So I think if we put one case study, it would be like really, really helpful. So it's a case study as to what IBM did. What it did was for people which were at 55, it gave them a 5 years increase in employment with 55% of reduction in work, and the salary would be 88% of what their previous salary would be, in order to not retain, in order to be able to retain the intellectual and the most experienced personnel rather than just letting them go. And also psychologically it is proven that a lot of people face difficulties retiring right away, so this was like a gradual process that helped them to go through with the entire phase and help leave the company on a very positive note as well.
Okay, you have already given two reasons, like, you know, it is difficult for them, and the second reason is that experience, they have more experience.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so that's okay. As long as you have your reasons, you can completely agree or you can completely disagree. Always remember that you have to read the question. Here, you cannot choose both sides. The question says, do you agree or disagree? You have to pick one side. Okay.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Yes. Yes. Anybody else wants to give or take side for the younger generation?
Yeah, I believe. Yeah, I believe younger generation should be given this opportunity because as they have better skills and better practical knowledge, and so I believe they should be given this opportunity.
And see,
comparatively, if we talk about, but at the same time, if we talk about the older generation, they too are equally experienced. They may not be having more theoretical knowledge, but they have the experience with them as compared to the younger generation.
Okay. See, Shifu, again, you know, you have to be on one side.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
I got your point. Correct.
Yes. Okay. So, for instance, if we are choosing younger generation, why? Because they are technologically advanced, they are youngsters, they equally deserve an opportunity. You know, they have just
correct. And I believe
directly, yes.
Correct. I believe they are more into technology nowadays, and they are considered to be the, I believe, the computer buffs, right? So they are
Yes.
very good equipped with all the
Yeah.
technologies and with all the tech savvy things in the world today.
And they are completely fresh out of school, college, so they have new innovative ideas, right? You can give that.
Correct.
But but Kunjan, that older generation, they also can develop skill, right? They are already experienced, but they can also learn something new
Sure, of
skills. They
course.
can also develop.
That's what I'm saying. You can pick any side as long as you're giving two reasons to support that answer. Okay.
Yeah.
As long as you are giving two reasons, I can agree, I can disagree. It's just that you pick your side and give two reasons which you will be explaining. There's nothing wrong or right.
Okay. Either we can support younger or older. Anyone.
Yes, anyone.
Okay.
Okay. Just make sure that you give two reasons for your support.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is basically an opinion essay. Okay. There's a topic and there's a very simple question. Do you agree or disagree? There are two other type of questions in opinion essay, which is what is your opinion? And the second is to what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay. What is your opinion is very similar to do you agree or disagree, wherein you have no choice of partial agreement. You have to either completely agree or you have to completely disagree. It's a very simple question. Always remember when they are asking, do you agree or disagree? For instance, I'm asking, do you need tea or coffee? You cannot merge both and drink, right? You have to pick one. Only if the question is to what extent, then you have the liberty to partially agree, but not here. Here you have to pick one side and give two reasons for your support. Okay. Am I clear with the question?
Yes. You may proceed.
Okay. Anybody else wants to give their viewpoint?
Should
Okay, I can
we
see, new
move to the
Bhaskar.
third one? or should we have other things to discuss on the same?
Anybody wants to give their input? Just Jyoti, they're new. I can see. Bhaskar is Bhaskar.
No input right now.
Okay. Are you clear with the question type?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Should I move to the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the third one.
Okay. Okay, I'm reading the question. This is also basically the same question type, which is an opinion essay. Okay. It is better for young people to get advice to get or give to give or get advice from old people than young ones. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, to get people. Okay. Yes. Anybody who is in or against? Always remember you have to pick one side, and both the sides are correct as long as you're giving valid reasons for your support.
Yes, I believe it is always better for the younger ones to seek advice from the older people because they are the one they are the one they are more experienced and
Yes.
as they are our well-wishers, so they will certainly assist us in all the thicks and thins of the life. So I believe yes, young people should always seek old people advice.
Okay.
Yes.
And maybe another reason you have to give
Yes,
two.
uh, yes, as they are more experienced and
Okay, that's one. Yeah. Second.
yeah, and they are the one who will let us know like what is right and wrong, and they are the one are the the real guide for us. So I believe yes, it is good for them.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I have two reasons. First, uh, old people can guide us better than any young person, and it is the way to show respect to them.
Okay.
Yeah. Most of the old people are eminent in knowledge because of their long career experiences, the value they inculcate in younger people cannot be uh, can only be done when the young people are seeking the advice from them.
Okay. Okay. As long as you're giving your reasons, you have to stick to one side. Okay. That is more important.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nobody else? Not anyone against it? No disagreement here?
I think people agree with the experience what older people have. So
Okay. Okay. You can, as long as you're giving your reasons, it is okay. It's not that, you're ethically proven wrong. Nothing like that. It is okay. We can say, like let them free, let them make mistakes, let them fall and, rise through their own experiences. Okay.
Correct.
We can do that also. Yeah. Okay. So this is also an opinion essay itself, wherein make sure that you have to either completely agree or completely disagree. And you have to stick to that side. Okay.
guys, if you have any question, then you can ask Kunjan before we wrap up. Like any other topic, reading, writing, listening, speaking, whatever doubt you might have, you can ask Kunjan before we wrap up for today.
Sure.
Anything you can type as well if you want.
Can we use simple all the sentences, simple compound, all the sentences you write there, say, or
Not
we are
simple. Not simple. See, make sure that you use just make more complex sentences. Okay.
okay.
Complex sentences is very important. Simple sentences will not lead you more than 5.5 bands. Okay, make sure you make your sentence complex. Okay, let me just discuss 7 things which is important when you are writing an IELTS essay. Okay, the very first thing is complex sentence, right? And the second point is how you can make your sentence complex is by using better linkers and connectors. That's second point. Okay, linkers and connectors are very important. Okay, that
So it
makes
is
your
only
sentence complex. Yeah.
only complex sentence or compound complex?
No, only complex.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. First is complex sentence. Second is you need to include your linkers and connectors, which will make your sentence complex. Okay. Third point, you have to keep it in passive voice. Yes. Body paragraphs, remember, has to be in passive. You cannot write you, I, we. You cannot write that. You have to keep it in third form. People think, individuals believe, masses believe. Okay, always keep it in third form. Keep it in passive voice. That's third point. Okay. Fourth is, sorry. Fourth is that you need to make sentence by using models. Okay. Models is basically words like could, would, should. You need to include that in your writing. Okay, for instance, let me just give you an example how we can combine both. Like for instance, I can use a connector and I can use a model. After giving your reason, how you can write like therefore it would result in, therefore being your connector, would being your model, or hence it would lead to, and then give your reason. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I've covered complex here, linkers, passive voice, models, and then there is, you need to make sentence with conditional sentence. Sorry, you need to make a sentence using conditional sentence. Conditional sentences is basically the sentence that starts with, it is because of. Okay. Okay. Okay, there should be gerunds also. You can include gerunds in your answer. See, these are the things that helps you getting more bands. So make sure it is not that you will write it in very simple English and you'll get bands. No, your examiner is looking for a complex sentence. Your examiner is looking for a connector, gerunds, models, passive voice. Okay, so try to cover that. Gerunds is basically your verb plus ing. I'm just giving an example: reading, writing, speaking, swimming. These are just examples of gerunds. Basically, your verb, you're doing verb, and your ing. Okay. This will help you. For instance, if you're using this, and if you stand at 6, and when you're using this, you're sure to get more than 6.57, 7.5 even. So make sure that you include all these things in your writing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today I used an example from a book, right?
Mhm.
So, should I use it or not?
No, no.
No.
You cannot name any person or place also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
For instance, when you're giving an
Yes, ma'am.
example, say I want to talk about Sachin Tendulkar in my
Yes, ma'am.
example. Okay. How I can write that? One of the famous cricketers in a developing country.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do not name any particular person. Do not name any place. Your examples should be very general. And don't
Okay.
write, in a nutshell, and generally according to a recent article, according to a recent newspaper news, nothing like that. You have to directly jump to the example. Don't write examples also. For instance, I've seen many students, they write in my neighborhood. No, nothing like that. It should be very general. Most of the students face this problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Very general example.
Yes.
Any other doubts?
No.
Okay. All this material, tips and tricks are already okay. Sorry, there's a question here. What all is available? Yes, all this is available in this IELTSScore.com website. The tips and tricks that you need to use, the things that you're supposed to avoid. It's all mentioned here.
All right.
Okay.
So, guys, should we wrap up for today, or you guys have any more questions?
No, nothing. Thank you so much.
No problem. So if you have any problem, like you can schedule your personalized demo class on IELTSScore.com. There's an option available. And if you guys are looking for any coaching with Kunjan ma'am, then definitely you can schedule a demo class 1-to-1 where we can clear all your doubts. And if you need any coaching classes, then we can provide that as well. And our writing assessment is completely free of cost. So you can create an account on IELTSScore.com, and whatever essays you're gonna write, you can just upload there, or you can
Yeah.
type it there also, and we'll evaluate it and give you the feedback.
Yes, and let you know your mistakes, your bands, also where you're standing, and how we can improve. It will be written over there.
All right.
Okay. Okay. I have two
Okay.
questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kunjan. It was really helpful.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're
May I
welcome.
request for your contact number, please?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
it's already
we
given
have
here.
All right.
left it on the chat.
All
So,
right. Yes. Thanks.
You're welcome.
so thank
All
you
right.
guys.
Thanks.
Have a good night.
Yeah.
Be
Thank you so
safe.
much. Same
Stay
to you.
stay in, and
Bye. You too. You too.
yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Nice connecting with you. Bye.